How to start an agency account on Upwork. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into Upwork. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on your profile at the top right corner and then move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Profile Settings. You will see the option where it says Additional Accounts. Two options will be available to you. One is New Client Account and the other is New Agency Account. As we're looking forward for an agency account, click on New Agency Account. Now you have to enter one name for your agency account. After that, you have to follow the on-screen prompt and then enter all of the details information that will be asked. Once it has been done, the agency account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can start agency account in Upwork. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.